In this video, I'll show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench on macOS. This method works on Macbook, iMac, and Mac Mini for both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. To begin, use the download link in the video description. This link will open the MySQL Community Downloads page. On the page, make sure macOS is selected. You'll see two versions available, macOS ARM 64-bit and macOS X 86 64-bit. Before downloading, you need to check which processor your Mac uses. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner, then choose About this Mac. If your Mac shows Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, download macOS ARM 64-bit. If it shows Intel, download macOS X 86 64-bit. After selecting the correct version, click Download. If you're asked to sign in, click No thanks, just start my download. The download will start and may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open the DMG file. When the installer window opens, drag MySQL Workbench into the Applications folder. After the copy finishes, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Now open Applications and launch MySQL Workbench. If macOS shows a security message, click Open to continue. MySQL Workbench will now open successfully. And that's it. You've installed MySQL Workbench on your Mac. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.